That Nissan Titan we showed you, well, we finally got it tore down, and if you want to check out the turbos on the table, I'll show you what I'm talking about. We showed you how the vanes was locked up on this turbo. This is how it's supposed to move, nice and free like that. A lot of people don't realize either that these Titan Cummins engines are a compound turbo. So you got your baby turbo, which is your low pressure atmospheric turbo, and then you got the high pressure turbo, which holds the vanes. This particular situation, we had to settle for a reman because you can no longer get this turbo by itself, and the customer didn't want to purchase two turbos. This contraption right here is the intake on the truck, very extremely heavy. This has to come off to access these turbos. So we're currently going to be going back together with this and get this customer out of here.